Hey guys, so today I'm going to be explaining this really nice vanity to you. I know some people may think like you don't want to buy it or whatever. It may be kind of small or look kind of small, but this is a really nice, great product. First of all, it comes with a nice built-in charging station, and then it comes with these light settings. You can change the lights. Here's like a white, warm white, off, and then a bluish color. Really nice. Love, love, love. The drawers open super easily. It's really amazing. And then they have this really nice stool here. I would definitely recommend this vanity.
Questo è sauna. Spiego la no. Sì, perfetto. Due.
Non si annusa il pesce. Guarda qua. Sono accesi, non so. Branchie rosa o rosse? Grazie, Gabi.
Ha ragione.
Ah, vedo che Stefano finalmente ha venduto il caffè. Buona giornata a tutti.
Ciao Rina. Poi ci sei. Bello il cappello. Si piace. Mi piace. Tu Anno Costa. Senti, oggi sei ospite nostro.
That's where the water goes now. This is all we got. Hurry up.
Hey, there might be less groceries. Let's not make a commercial for Joyful Burger in here, I hear. So, you guys are the ideal Joyful.